This is Doug's Open Road Classics. I've got a passion for classic cars. This is my 1972 Ford Escort Mexico Mark 1, which is an original car. I intend to keep it in its original condition, although I will be updating it with some USBs, charging ports. Also need to underseal it because the end goal for me is to take the car on road trips. So I'm going to be filming and posting anything car related, classic car related, the journey with this car, and I'm lucky enough to own another couple of cars, so I'll film them at some point and post content as soon as I'm able. So please join me with the journey into classic cars. Thank you.